Hello everyone, I am Vismay. Today I will show you embedded sign up which allow us to onboarding the customers. So let's start with the create app. Give the app name. Then select connect with customer through WhatsApp. Select the business and click next. Wait for a while. Okay, now go to this publish. Now enable the permissions like business management and WhatsApp business management. It is already enabled WhatsApp business messaging. Okay, so these permissions are already enabled. Now go to the dashboard. Now go to the app settings. Now click on basic. Here you have to add your app domains, privacy policy URL, terms of service URL and the category. This is required things. I have already created my website and the privacy policy and the terms and conditions, so I'm just copy pasting that URL. Now select the category. Save changes. Now go to Facebook login for business. Here you have to go to the settings. Need to enable the settings. Click client over settings. You can follow the steps from the documentation as well. Let me show you the link of the documentation. In the embedded sign-up code setup, you will see this embedded sign-up developer documentation. Just click on that and you will get these steps. So just to follow these steps, web auth, login, embedded. As you can see, this is enable. And you have to add this. You have to add the URL in this valid auth redirect URLs. So before we move ahead, let's start from the first. Once you are in embedded signup builder, you have to set up this. You have to click on Facebook login for business configuration section. Just click on create configuration. Give the name. Let's leave it default. Now it's create. For other configuration, we have to go to the Facebook login for business. So click on settings, configuration. This is already created. Just click on edit. Click on next. WhatsApp embedded sign up is already selected. Now click on necessary. Now check the necessary options. I require this one, so that's why I'm selecting WhatsApp. Now click on next. Leave it checked by default, then click on next. Click this. These permissions are required, so make sure you select this business management, WhatsApp business management, WhatsApp business messaging. Now click on save. Okay. Now go back to the WhatsApp embedded sign-up builder. As you can see, this step has been successfully completed. Now go to the manage domains. Here you have to add the domains. I will use ngrok for port forwarding, so I will paste here later. Now go to the roles. It is okay. If you want to add other developers, you can just add and submit it. Now go to this embedded sign up setup. You can read this one by one. The code is same as mentioned on this tab. The code is same as mentioned in the documentation. Just copy this code and convert into the React component. I have already created this. I will show you that in the React component. Make sure you change this AID version and the config ID. For app ID, you have to go to the basic settings. Copy this app ID. And also change the version, then the config ID. Copy this config ID and paste into the code. You can use ChatGPT for convert the code into the React, and I will also give this code you can get from the GitHub. Now copy this ngrok URL. And add in manage allow list. Go to your React app. Now add the URL. I have already added this URL. Now run on the browser. Select the business portfolio, business account. Now select appropriate option and click on next. As you can see, it is showing your account is connected. Now click on finish. You will receive one authorization code. By authorization code, you will receive the permanent token. So let's move to that step. Just copy this and come to this and come to this embedded sign up builder section. Here you will see this extend token section. You have to just copy this URL and paste into the Postman. I have already pasted into the Postman. So here it is. Here is the body. Here are the body. Now just copy paste the code and make sure you change client ID and client secret. So client ID is nothing but app ID, and client secret you can get from the app basic setting. Just click on these app settings, click on basic, copy app ID from here. Now click on show, copy the app secret. As you can see, our request is success and returning the access token and token type. And once you get this token, you can make any request like create template, send message. That's it. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.